Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to Mothermade channel. Friends, today we will learn how to make white phenyl. Friends, whenever you want to clean the floor of your house, you simply go to the market and buy phenyl. Today they are called floor cleaner. Nowadays, floor cleaners are available in different colors like pink, white, green, etc. But do you know how effective they are? Most of them does not kill germs, bacteria, viruses, etc. But they have pleasant fragrances to attract you, and they are very dilute in form and are too costly, but you have to purchase it because you have no option, isn't it? Friends, today I will show you how to make white phenyl, which is very effective, which kills germs, bacteria, viruses, etc. and in a very low cost. And it is very easy to make. Anybody can make it in the sitting at the corner of their house and save your money. Friends, today I will show you how to make white phenyl, white. But if you want to make in different colors, you can add any color of your choice in it to make it colorful. So friends, let's start. Friends, I will show you the raw materials for making white phenyl first. Then I will show you how to make white phenyl in a practical video, full practical video. Then after completing the video, I will tell you the quantity of raw materials. So in order to understand it properly, please watch my full video till end. So let's go. See, this is TRO. This is Alfox 200. This is pine oil. Now I am showing you the practical video. For that I have taken an empty vessel. First I am taking TRO. Now I am adding Alfox 200. Then I am mixing it properly. Now I am mixing pine oil in it. Then mix it thoroughly. See friends, your concentrated phenyl is ready. It is transparent. See. Now I am adding water in it to make it dilute. Have you seen the magic? Please mix it properly. So, see, your white phenyl is ready. It is so easy and simple to make and very effective. It will kill the germs also. Friends, if you want colored phenyl, you can add any color of your choice. Friends, now I will tell you the quantity of raw materials. Please note it down. The quantity of TRO is 20 ml. The quantity of Alfox 200 is 10 ml. The quantity of pine oil is 70 ml. After mixing all three, you will get concentrated phenyl. For making white phenyl, you have to add water in it. You can add RO water or DM water, but friends, please don't add tap water. It will spoil your phenyl. So please don't add tap water in it. For making good quality of white phenyl, the quantity of water should be between 5 to 6 liters. Friends, if you want to lower the cost, you can add more water in it. So friends, you can increase the quality or decrease the quality of white phenyl by adding more water or decreasing the quantity of water. It is up to you. You will get a very good quality of white phenyl if you add 5 or 6 liters of water only. Friends, if you want to make it thick, you can watch a video which I had already uploaded on my channel, how to make phenyl thick. Friends, if you want to do small business, the business of white phenyl is very profitable because the manufacturing cost is very low and the selling price is very high, and it is very easy to make. You can make it sitting at your home and anybody can make it. Friends, if you have any queries, you can write down in the comment box. Friends, do you like my video? If you do, please press the like button and share my video with all your friends and relatives, and please do subscribe my channel. After pressing the subscribe button, you will see a bell there. Please press that bell also. After pressing bell, you will see 3 options on the screen in which all is written on the top. Please press all button, which is very important to press. By pressing all button, you will receive notification whenever I make a new video. So please press all button. So friends, now we will meet in next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care. Stay safe. Stay healthy.